Welcome. Today we're showing you a hands-on approach to enhancing reliability using our LVH-F diesel filtration solution. Perfect for applications from generators and fleet fueling tanks to agricultural tanks. Install the LVH-F unit along your diesel line. Flush the system with diesel fuel to remove residual water and contaminants, priming the filter for peak performance. Next, check the clogging indicator. A steady reading means the fuel is clean and conditioned. If the gauge fluctuates, it's time to change the filter element. Simply unscrew the housing, remove the old element, insert a new one, and reassemble the unit. This process not only protects your machinery, but answers the challenge of maintaining clean fuel in an environment, significantly enhancing reliability. For more hands-on insights into fluid technologies, stay tuned.